Okay, so here we are back again for some footage from round 2 of the AORC. So this is the second day of the weekend. We're riding a different track. This is the track that the juniors had ridden on the first day. So the track was already pretty well worn in. I was even more beat up. My legs were absolutely toasted from the first day. I was struggling to stand up, but this I think is the first loop of the day. I'll probably cut in some footage of the last loop of the day to see how beat up the track gets. But so I was still struggling with just the whole process. You know, in hindsight, I think I was actually learning to ride this sort of condition sand the whole weekend. So I was still figuring out how to stand on the bike, where to sit in corners, where to stand in corners. Legs were so cooked from standing for, I think this loop was 6Ks, just constantly getting hammered. This just isn't my style of riding, but, excuses. It's just is what it is. It was still fun. So here's the footage, day 2 AORC. Thanks. And then this is the last loop of the day. You can see it's changed from morning to afternoon. I'll do that throughout the edit of this video.